Hi everyone, in front of me I've got FREEYOND M6 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. Let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find either passwords and accounts or Google. You can choose, however, I think I prefer the passwords and accounts, so let me tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got the section with the accounts. I've got my my Google account added to the device, but that's okay. Let's start with adding a new one. So let's tap on Add Account and choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and if you've got any kind of screen lock, you will have to enter it to confirm the whole step. So here in this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me quickly do it and tap on Next. Right here in this section we have to enter our password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, we've got it, so let's tap on Next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so we can simply tap on this section to check all of the information, and after that simply tap on I agree. I don't want to save the password, so just not now, and as you can see we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course you can always remove it, simply tap on it and tap on Remove Account. Tap on Remove Account again, and as you can see it will immediately disappear. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.